There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube. Yeah, it's me again. I'm having a good time here. Well, you see, I tapped the first one, metric, on the other side. So yeah, it worked. Did a good job tapping. Threads went in. This time I'm doing standard, right? Go slow. I'm doing a good old job here, see? Just goes in, goes out, goes in, goes out. Looks like somebody tapped the hole in the frickin' vise here. So anyway, what I noticed is non-metric thread. See this tap? See the screw? I bought all kinds of screws. They don't fit. Watch this. Watch this. 5/16 goes in. Is that the one? Where is it? Where's this one? No, it's not that one. Where did it go? Where did the other one go ahead? I just had a... Where did you go? Oh, here it is. Right here, look. 5/16. Watch this. Watch this. Tapped it in an imperial. Goes in perfect. Not a problem. Metric? No. I can't find a goddamn metric. Frickin' screw if you paid me. No. Won't work. So anyway, I am now abandoning... Hold on, my filtering. Hello folks. Well, in the middle of tapping screw holes, I got a phone call that said there was a flood on my store floor. Apparently the compressor in the cooler next door leaked into my store and got a big puddle of water. So shit happens, I guess. Shit happens. So I had to rush there so I can get out a mop bucket, because apparently mopping is a whole new thing these days. I mean, these mops.